clings heavy to the fjord tonight. Two shadows moving in the pale moonlight. I check my axe, you sharpen your blade. Side by side, we are never afraid. You are the ghost following in my wake. You're the shield that holds when the mountains quake. A queen of the forest, a wolf in the fray. We march to the rhythm of the iron gray. Equality carved in the runes we bear. The weight of the world is a weight we share.